In this short video, I will implement the page object model by using the Selenium, Python, and Unitest is used. And also, if we have a time, then I will implement the HTML reports. Page object model is the design techniques where the pages are represented to the classes and page elements are represented to the attributes. So we can reuse our class in the shape of the classes and inheritance is possible, and our code is neat and clean and easy to handle. So in order to implement the page object model, I have already created the small demo folder hierarchy for this project. There is the test. Test should be inside the test folder and pages inside here. So I have created the one test case. So it will take uh, more time if I will write the test. So I have already written the some code which will I copy and paste here. Here is the code. We import the web drivers. So WebDriver will open this website, and here is the username and password. I am fetching this element by uh, uh, element name, and here is the XPath which I have already built and stored, and then after the sleep of 2 seconds it will closed. So it will just open. Our test is here. Login.py. It will open the web browser and then maximize the window, enter username, password, just log out, and after 2 seconds it will close the browser. So by this is the simple straightforward. In order to implement the uh, page object model, the first step to refactor our code and uh, convert this code into the classes. So here is the code that is going to implement the unit test. Just a second, I'm just copying the code and pasting it here. So this is the code. We inherit the unit test, and there is the class method, there is the uh, tear down and uh, tear down class. It will run once when the class is there is intention problem, and also we need to intend it, and here also intend it. So uh, we are good to go. Here is the setup class. So when this test case run, this setup class will run once. It will initialize the driver, and then it will open the previous steps which we have done uh, before implementing the unit test class. So it is very important when you write the unit test, then test write the test in front of your method. So Python test login.py. Uh, oh yeah, we need to use the -m unit test and test login.py. No module is found here. Unit, yes. Uh, we have it is launched our browser. Open the website, enter the valid username credentials, just click the logout, and after 2 seconds it will close this browser as well. Yeah, and so it run the one test case is completed, and it uh, is good to go. But these locators and should be in other folders, and pages should be in the other pages. So in the next step we refactor our code and then move this some more code like the elements, find elements, these should be in the pages class. So now separate class for the page login page has been created. In the initializer, all the username, password and the click button is initialized, and here is the username method, password method and the click method. In the login, you can see that our whole code has been introduced and it's cleaned. So first we import our pages classes, methods, pages class login page. Here we need to create the object of this page class, login page, and we send the driver so we can easily access the method which we have created. So in this method we are sending the username, and let me check the username. Yeah, here is the method username. Enter username, then enter password. Password is I think 123. Then we need to click on login button, and after that you can say that time dot sleep 2 seconds. So this is we can observe that how clean our code, and it's easy to manage and read. We need to click here and run our browser, the website open, enter the valid credentials, and then log out. So one test case has been run and it has been passed. We can also implement the reports as well. We can also implement the reports, but video time is increasing, so let me skip. And also we can refactor more. We can also locator should be in other class like here. Then we import the locator class in the login page, and then uh, through this manner we can implement our page object model. So it is the short view of implementation of page object model by using the Selenium and Python and Unitest.